Do you want to know how you can change your password on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your password on your Temu account. Go ahead and open temu.com on your Chrome or Edge browser. Make sure you are logged in and hover around your profile and you can see account security. Go ahead and click on account security and you can see the password option. Go ahead and click edit and you can see that there are options to write your old password and your new password. So go ahead and write down your old password and set your new password as well. Make sure you check out your new password and you can see the password quality is being shown strong. So after you set your password, go ahead and click submit. This way, you can change your password on your Temu account quite easily. I hope this video about how you can change your password on Temu was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.